So good morning students. In the last video we have seen, that how because of the directory form of the government, who got power? Napoleon. Still, people of the France were not too much happy by the Napoleon. Till here we have discussed. Now we will see the another topic, slavery. Yes, slave trade. Slavery we can say. As we are knowing, till the 18th century, maximum European countries established their colonies. Now this colony is not that city colony. Yes, I have told you all. What is colony? The country which is under the control of any superpower or any strong power, that is known as the colony. So maximum European countries were there. In our country India only we have seen 4. Portuguese were there, Dutch, French, as well as the British. So these European countries established a lot of colonies, or controlled maximum countries of the world. Why these countries control the maximum countries of the world? Because of the trade purpose. And trade of which goods? That were the tea, coffee, rubber, I am writing more, yes, cocoa, silk, opium, here I am writing indigo, etc. Why these items were traded by these European powers? The basic reason behind this was that these products were in the great demand in the European countries. So all these powers were trying to purchase or cultivate these items so that they can sell these into the European countries, and by that they can earn the huge profit. But there is a problem. Maximum among these were the plantation crops. And for the cultivation of the plantation crops, there was the requirement of the huge amount of the laborers. Either they were the skilled one or the unskilled. And any member of these European countries was not willing to work as a labor in the colony of their own country only. So how the problem of the labor will be solved? That problem of the labor was being solved by the slave trade. Yes, slaves. Slaves were there. For them, a special word is given in your book. I am coming on that. That were the Negroes. So, slaves were there, and it was the responsibility of it was the duty of the slave to take care of the work of the plantation. Negroes are written. Negroes. Now this word is banned. Yes. You can't say any black African or any black people to Negro. You can be punished by law. Yes. So Negroes were there, and these Negroes were purchased from this Africa continent. Then By after purchasing these Negroes, it was tightly packed into the ship, and from the ship, a long journey was being made after crossing the Atlantic, and then they were sent into the different colonies of the European powers. It was the duty of these slaves that they work into the plantation for their owners. But when revolution occurred in the France, then maximum political thinkers were also there. They started to think that it is not good to make any individual as a slave. It is not good to harm the right of any individual. So they were against this slave trade. And one name may be memorized to you, Mr. Is it? Maximilian Robespierre. During his tenure of 1 year only, one good step which was taken by him, that was the abolition of slave trade. Yes, he abolished the slave trade. But once again, when Napoleon came into the power, he reintroduced the slavery. So we can say the condition of the slave was not too much good. They had to work hard and they were getting very less amount of the money. Now we shall discuss revolution and everyday life. This is the last topic. Revolution and everyday life. As we are knowing, during the revolution time, there was the flood, not flood of the water, flood of ideas, thoughts, philosophies. So, after the passing of the Constitution in 1791, freedom of speech was provided to the individual. And when freedom of speech was being provided, then this was abolished. Censorship abolished. And as the censorship abolished, now press became free. Yes, press became free. Now before this, at the time of the censorship, if press has to print anything, they had to take the permission of the monarch and other officials. And if monarch or other officials were giving them permission to print that thing, then they were allowed. But after the abolishment of the censorship, now newspapers, magazines, book writers, they were able, they were free to print anything, what they desire or what they want. So because of this, there was a flood of the magazines, newspapers and other things into the market. And because of the flood of that things, now common people of the France were able to come to know what was happening. Now, these magazines, newspapers, books, pamphlets, etc. were for the literate person. Yes, by reading this, literate person were able to know what is happening. Oh, this is the idea which we have to follow. Oh, because of this we got the right to equality. Because of this we are free. Because of this we have the right to property, etc., etc. But what about the other illiterate people who were not knowing how to read and write? Because at that time, there were plenty of the members or plenty of the population who were not knowing how to read and write only. So how they will come to know what is happening in their surroundings? For them also, special measures were taken. Yes, plague. songs, folklore, etc. were composed in such a way or were composed on such a theme which can giving the people, don't say people, which were giving the people the common idea what was happening in the society, what was happening in the revolutionary France. And because of these also, the illiterate people of the France also come to know, and they took active participation in the revolution. Besides these things, one more which we have discussed in the previous videos, that were the clubs. Yes, clubs were also there where people were discussing, and when people were discussing, those people who were illiterate, they were listening that some places, marketplace, barber shop or other common area where people were gathering, they were reading the newspapers, they were reading the pamphlet, they were reading the book, newspaper, magazines, etc. So I've seen they were not reading, they were reading loudly. Yes, they were reading loudly so that other people who are in the gathering area or in the surrounding area, they can listen to that and accordingly they can reflect. So this was all about the first chapter of the history. Bye bye my dear students. In the next video, we shall revise the first chapter of the geography. Goodbye.